Hey guys, CHOA here. Today I'm going to do a review about a product that I think is worth the money. So let's get to it. The item I'm talking about is this guy. This is the Osee T5 Plus. This guy. This is the Osee T5 Plus. Now disclaimer, Osee did send me this product as a review unit. Now I get to keep it in return to make a review. Now they didn't pay me to make the review. They don't get to see the review before anyone else. They get to see it at the same time as you guys do. So let's just get to the unboxing experience. Now I won't lie to you guys, I already did unbox this, but so this is the box, simple all around. I don't want to look into it too much. Specs wise, there's specs in the back. So first thing you get is the monitor itself. So Osee was actually nice enough to give you two USB cables. You have full HDMI to full HDMI, male to male, and you get a full HDMI to a micro, a mini, I forgot which one this is. Along with it, you also get this swivel mount for the monitor itself, 1/4 inch thread. This whole thing is made of metals except this part right here. You have a cold shoe mount right here for lighting, mic. Also comes with this guy. Last but not least, the Osee monitor itself. You have one knob. In the bottom, we have an SD card reader. This is for adding LUTs or updates. You have a 1/4 inch with locking pin. You have a headphone jack and a wired remote. I don't know what that's for. This side, you have your HDMI input and your DC out. Top, there's nothing. This side, you have another quarter inch and a USB in, so you can actually power the monitor, so you don't have to use batteries. Now, your power wise, you can use NPF Sony batteries or LPE6 Canon batteries. Here's your power switch. I like that better than a power button where you have to hold it. Now, like I said, you can use Sony NPF or Canon LPE6. So the Canon just goes in here. Now you get the Sony NPF, same thing. Locks on, power on, and boom. Click middle, and this opens up. Now you have tools here that you can just turn on and off by pressing middle click. Or if you want to add something, go to add new tools, and you can have all the different tools you can use. You got aspect, safe, center, crosshatch, anamorphic, de-squeeze, false colors. You got zebra, waveforms, vector, histogram, focus assist, peaking, D-log, user LUT, multi-scopes, and audio meter. Instead of clicking it, because all it does is turn it on, you want to swipe to the right and you get all this. And now you can change your settings, same thing. Now to get out of the menu, swipe to the left and it'll go back. Now, I don't really remember the whole specs, so I'm just gonna read through Osee's official website. Now the body is fully made out of ABS plastic, but inside here the framing is made of aluminum, so that you still get that nice build quality within inside it. It weighs about 170 175 grams. Now screen wise, this thing is rocking a 1000 nits 5.5 inch screen with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and a PPI of 400. That 1000 nits is really important to have, especially outdoors in the sunlight. Your camera's screen is nice and bright, but you might have difficulties looking at it. Now this isn't the brightest screen. You can get one that's 3000 nits. They also sell that. Now let's get to the pros and cons of this monitor. I have more pros than cons, to be honest. First off, price. It's around $149, $150, depending on where you get it. I think that's a really good deal because some monitors out there is still rocking like 400 nits. One other pro is all the different features that you get in this monitor for that price. It's fully packed with different features, and I have my own profile set with a bunch of stuff that I need, like focus peaking, waveforms, zebras is all in here. So if your camera doesn't even have that, this will help you with that. I would say color accuracy is also really nice. You can be confident with whatever you're shooting or your exposure. Now the thing that I really like about this monitor is that there's three ways to power the monitor. You have the MPF, which I currently have right now, the LPE6 Canon batteries, and one thing that not a lot of monitor actually has is a USB power. So the two cons I have for this monitor is the fact that it doesn't have a touchscreen and the fact that everything is just using this joystick. Other than that, this monitor is great. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is my first time doing an actual product review and working with a company. Hopefully, if I do more reviews, it'll be better down the road. But yeah, this channel is not really meant for reviews. It's just my adventure of filmmaking, and I'm just glad Osee is willing to help with what I'll do in the future. But yeah, I'm CHOA. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.